Hello, and welcome to my slow English podcast. Take your time, listen carefully, and watch my hand gestures to understand new words in English. Today, I want to introduce myself to you. I am Tiana. My full name is Tiana Ortiz. My first name is Tiana. And my last name is Ortiz. I am 21 years old. Actually, I will be 22 years old next week. My birthday is November 22nd. So, I will be turning 22 on November 22nd. On November 22nd, I will be turning 22 years old. And in the United States, that is called your golden birthday. For example, if you were born on January 4th and you turn 4 years old, then that's your golden birthday. Tell me, when is your golden birthday? Did your golden birthday already pass or not yet? I am from the United States, Nebraska. I was born in Nebraska, USA. I grew up in Nebraska, USA. My mom is from the United States. My dad is from Mexico. That's why I look kind of mixed, like a cappuccino. When I was 8 years old, my dad was deported back to Mexico. So we all moved to Mexico to live. It was a big change. Everything changed. But Mexico has beautiful people, and I have a beautiful family. And you? Where are you from? Where did you grow up? I studied elementary school, middle school, and high school in Mexico. But I did not study at university. Did you study at university? What did you study? After high school, I began to work to make money. I worked as an English teacher online. That was my job. I work at my job. I worked as an English teacher. I worked at Craving English, Preply, Open English, and Outschool. I had so many jobs. I love working as an English teacher. It is a really fun job. I talk to interesting people. I help them learn and understand English, and they practice English with me. I love teaching. What is your job? What do you do for work? Remember, job is a noun. Work is a verb. I speak English and Spanish. I am learning Chinese. I love Chinese. What language do you speak? I like to walk around the city and listen to music in my headphones and look at little shops. I love little markets or shops. It's my favorite activity to do. I also love traveling and I love learning. What do you like to do? My favorite food is Japanese food. I love fish, and Japanese food has fish in almost every dish. Take your time answering each question and shadowing each answer with me. Ask me any questions in the comments. I promise I will answer them all. I will be going live November 23rd. We can practice English together live on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. I will be speaking slowly and answering any questions you might have about the story. So join me November 23rd at 2 p.m. or 14 hours UTC. See you there. Make sure to like this video so more people can practice English. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.